Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to install Jupyter Notebook on a Windows machine. But before installing Jupyter Notebook, we first need to make sure that Python is installed on our system because Jupyter works with Python. First open a browser and type Python. Now open the first website, which is python.org. Once the website opens, go to download section. Then click on the download Python button. As soon as you click on it, that download will start automatically. After the download is completed, click on the downloaded file to open the setup. Now, this step is very important. First, check the option Add Python to Path. Then click on Customize Installation. Now here click on Next. In the advanced options, check Install for all users. And also make sure Add to Environment Variables is selected. Now click on Install. The installation will begin. Once it is completed, click on Close. Once Python is installed, we also need to verify that Python is installed properly on our computer. To do that, press Windows plus R, type cmd and press enter to open the command prompt. Now type python space hyphen hyphen version. If you see the Python version displayed on the screen, it means Python has been successfully installed. Next, we also need to check another important tool called pip, which is the package manager for Python. Pip helps us to install Python libraries and packages. To check, we have to simply type pip space hyphen hyphen version. If the version appears, it means pip is also installed correctly. Now we are ready to install Jupyter Notebook. You have to simply type pip space installed space Jupyter. Make sure the spelling is correct, then press enter. After a few moments, you will see the Jupyter Notebook has been successfully installed. Now let's try to open Jupyter Notebook. Simply type Jupyter space Notebook. Okay, sometime you might see an error saying Jupyter is not recognized as an internal and external command. Don't worry, this happens if the script folder of Python is not added to the system path. To fix this, go to the location where Python is installed on your computer. In my case, it is installed in this folder. Copy this path. Now open the File Explorer, paste the path into the address bar and press enter. Next, open the scripts folder. Copy the entire path of the script folder. Now search for environmental variables in the Windows search bar and open it. Click on environmental variables, then select path and click edit. Click on new, paste the path we copied earlier and click OK. Then click OK again to save the changes. Now open the command prompt again and type the command again Jupyter space notebook. Let's see what happens now. And here we go. Jupyter Notebook has successfully opened. It will automatically open in your web browser. This is Jupyter Notebook interface. Now let's quickly create a new Python notebook. Click new and select Python 3. Now let's write a simple Python program. For example, I am going to print our channel name. Now press Shift plus Enter to run the code. And as you can see, our Python code runs successfully, which means Jupyter Notebook is working perfectly on our system.